Hey everybody, and welcome back to the shop build series. In this video I'm going to be building the stem and the mounting block for this barn light. And I've got a special trick up my sleeve so it fits perfect with the siding. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with how the barn light turned out. I could have bought one with a pre-built stem that was kind of fancy, but I sort of like the industrial look, and it was about $100 more. Plus, I'd still have to build the mounting block. So I hope this was helpful. Maybe you can use some ideas from this in your next project. And until the next video, you guys have a good one. Sort of using a saw, leaf blower or something, somewhere. In this video, I'm going to be building slower, rowad.
Rowwoods. Wow. That's a total weird word, isn't it?
That is a freaky word, man.
He's blowing leaves. He's on a ladder blowing leaves out of the tree. Maybe not a horrible idea. I can see the leaves falling from here. I don't know if you can hear that. Birds. Always birds. Birds. But there's a distinct leaf blower in the background, blowing leaves out of the tree. And the sun's going down, so it's not like I have limited time to film this or anything. I'm pretty sure there's a hawk in that tree. I might have to get the camera out and take a picture, because I think there's a giant hawk in the tree. That would make cool pictures. I'll post pictures if I actually get a good picture of it. I'll post a picture in the in the bloopers. Huh. Hopefully the camera is still on. Because if the camera's not still on, I get to do it all again.